what we're doing now is we're doing a fan replacement for Palo Alto Networks PA-200. Hopefully that wasn't the shot. I've already taken it apart, brought it down, taken it apart. I used this firewall for our house, and it's been servicing us for a long time. It's gone through a lot of construction. It's got a lot of dust, and the original flat fan blew out. Got a lot of sheetrock dust in it. Finally dried out. We're gonna replace it. I made a purchase of a couple fans to kind of match it, and I got it from Mauser. First time from Mauser purchase, and just go ahead and replace this. Make some modifications and get it on the road. See what happens. It's a little bit higher wattage than the original, but it's very slight higher. Hardly anything. It's 0.0. It's about 100 milliamp, no, 10 milliamp of amperage higher than the original. I already did a dry fitting and it worked. It fits perfectly. I'm just gonna cut the ends and solder them and finish them up and put it in and test it out. I already tested this with my power supply and it works just fine. Go ahead and size this up. I'll do a midway. There's no rhyme or reason. Just do a midway here, just in case. Room for error. This was a gift. It's beautiful. It has been with me for so long. I've been working with it over 20 years now, probably 15 years, 20 years, more than 15 years for sure. More than 15 years, I should say. I invited the kids in the house to come and see, but they are not curious enough. I was always curious from childhood. I would be like, oh, can I see that? Can I watch that? Can I do that? But I was like, hey, you want to see me do this? Nope, I'm okay. Like, okay. Maybe next lifetime. See if we can be cute here. find the matching colors. This doesn't belong here. Doesn't belong here. All right. We'll cut about this much. Yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll slip them in. Come on. Okay, this is good. I have to be careful with this because it'll heat up and shrink before I even have the chance to solder it on. This might not work. Okay, this is better than nothing. Let's do that. Put the solder in. Always clean the tip before put it away. right there. It's gonna be a problem. Unconventional way. Then we gotta be quick. This thing's gonna get. There you go. Now all over. Done. Let's put these away. All right, put this away. This way. Ooh. It's got a direction. It's gonna go that way. There's a little direction that says it rotates that way. From this side would be counterclockwise. From this side would be clockwise, and the air will be forced that way. All right, we got it in. You could always tell these are fans screws. So fat and deep grooves. Now we have, oh shit, make sure we don't break the fan. Gotta hold it from the edges. And this thing is gonna just thread bite as it goes in. Leave it a little loose so we can get this other side as well. Need a little bit of a force here because of the it needs to groove a thread right through it. Here we go. Something went crack. It's okay, it's just plastic as long as the fan is spinning freely and it's not touching anywhere. Done. And squeeze in the wire, the connector. Need a little bit of a force here. A little bit of a help. Come on. Done. Tuck away the wire. We're done. Put the top on. So I know that I should really test this before completely closing it off. I won't. I'll just take the risk because I really want to put it on. The power supply is somewhere else. Just take the risk of, I already tested the fan. It works, and the solder joints look good. So So chance of it failing while it's on there, it's going to be about 10% maybe. This is from joint compound, I should say. When you don't have tools, you have to improvise. All right, let's put the screws back on. Okay, and this goes here. Yes, it does. Put the adjacent screw in so that it's perfectly aligned, because I want to tighten that screw completely before moving on, because we do have these other screws to put on. The plate is in the way. I had to, I don't even, yeah, that's fine. This plate supposed to hold the power supply, but the power supply that came with this firewall is way larger. It doesn't fit in there. So I had to bend these brackets for it to actually at least be able to sit on. The little shelf acts like a shelf at this point. I like how well they made this. They thought about the mounting of the power supply, since it's not internal, so it doesn't just hang in your rack. No Mickey Mousing. As some would say, Mickey Mousing. No Mickey Mousing. Complete.